Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at a fan heater. So this is a heater which is selling in Curry's PC world. There's no big name for this except for this model number. This is currently in sale. I got this for 12.99. Usually looks like this sells for 29.99. So this is how the box is. So let's open the box. Okay, so there we go. That's the size. That's the size of the heater. Not too big. So that's the heater. So there's two controls. Okay, so min to max, you can control the temperature, and there is a fan off. There's three: high, low, fan, and off. And there's a red light here. That's the plug. Not a huge, not a huge cable. Okay, a normal size. Okay, now let's connect the heater and see if it is making some huge noise. Okay, I've turned it on. I think it's in the off position now. Let's put it to fan. There's cold air coming. Okay, that's fan, so let's put it to low. That's low. And let's put it to high. Okay, there's hot air now. So that's how it sounds. And let's put it to max. I could feel the heat in my feet. So basically I'm standing like 3 to 4 feet away. I could feel the heat. So looks like the room is getting warmer. Okay, let me put the fan back. Those are the menu options for you guys. That's all about the essential fan heater from Curry's, which I bought for $12.99. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, give me a like and share it with your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.